I'm Mr Saem. Currently, I'm working as the head of department for ICT and computer science. I'm teaching currently at 5 different campuses in Lahore. Well, I am teaching currently is A-Level IT 9626 offered by Cambridge University, A-Level Computer Science 9618. I'm teaching the IBDP program as well, the Digital Society. I'm a certified IB teacher as well, and obviously I've been teaching for a very long time is ICT, IGCSE ICT 017 as well. So these are the 4 programs that I'm teaching currently. Alhamdulillah, many of my students have got distinctions. 7 of my students got distinctions, and these are my school students, frankly speaking. These include top in the world in A-Level IT. This includes in A-Level IT as well, and A-Level Computer Science. So obviously I give a lot of credit to my students who got it, but obviously teachers' involvement is very much important. Well, just like every teacher for me as well, my students are my success stories. Some of them are on my website, and they have graduated from MIT, Harvard, Cambridge, from top universities as well. They have become entrepreneurs as well. So there are lots of success. I have to suggest, well, I always have a very good suggestion to my students, which is honesty is the best policy. If you're honest to yourself, if you're honest to your studies, your work, you'll be more disciplined as well. So honesty is the best policy in life. You have to remember that. And one of the most important thing, I believe, in order to achieve good grades with students is that you have to be frank with them. You have to make your class lively. If you behave as a very strict teacher, this won't happen. Yes, obviously discipline has to be maintained, but you have to make sure that you indulge each and every student. So if you have 30 students in your class, you have to make sure everyone is involved. You have to look at the eyes of every student and make sure they're listening to you. They're totally engaged. Because if that is the case, then you can achieve it. And you have to be witty as well. You have to talk to them. You have to make sure that they are not hesitant while talking to you. These are all the things that are very important, frankly speaking. You will find lots of my resources on sirsaem.com and mrsaem.com. Many of the material over there, the resources over there are paid, but obviously there's a lot more in the paid as well. So my YouTube channel is there as well. I've been doing this for the past 2 decades, frankly speaking. The first YouTube channel was in 2008 that I made one. Somehow forgot the password and obviously got deleted. Then I made a new one in 2017. So there are lots of because if you're able to maintain your integrity, you will have all the success. I always tell my students that no one has the right to undermine your integrity. You have to maintain it. It's very important that as a teacher you help those students who are struggling. Obviously everyone wants to have A and A stars. So there are many students who can achieve that on their own. But there are many students who really need to be helped. So in order to do that, I made this YouTube channel a long time back. There weren't any YouTube resources available at that time. It was only after 2018 that many YouTube channels came in, providing very good resources. So I had to make something to make it easier for my students that they can self-study at home, and for those students who are appearing privately as well. So that's why many of the past papers, video lectures are available on this channel of mine, which is on YouTube. what do I have to tell to my students? What do I tell them? Well, I always tell them, obviously, respect your parents. That's one of the most important things. You have to listen to what they say. You have to be friendly with them. Okay, so unless until you're not respectful toward others, it will not be very easy for you to achieve everything in life. So it sounds weird, but it is very, very true. So yeah, it's very important that we do counseling of the students as teachers as well, which I try to do as well, apart from my subject. Otherwise, we'll become robots, which AI probably is going to do very soon.